Hi Creative, welcome once again to my channel. I'm super excited to have you guys on my channel. And for those who are joining me for the first time, this is Creative Entrepreneurship channel where we share information that revolves on how you can make money online. So if you are here to subscribe to our channel, kindly click the subscription button, click the notification bell so that when I drop videos like this, you'll be the first to see them. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money online as a student. Are you a student and you're looking for smart ways to make money online without affecting your studies? Then in this video, I'll be sharing with you proven methods which you can use to earn money as a student, whether you have a smartphone or you have a laptop. So kindly watch this video to the end because I'm going to be sharing with you practical information which is going to help you to make money while you're in school. And the first information I'm going to be sharing with you is freelancing. And also I went to ChatGPT to ask a question. So let me go over to my chat bot. I asked, is there any remote projects on data annotation for tech for Nigerians? And it said, yes, there are remote data annotation projects available for Nigeria. And the first one that came up, it's Sigma.ai. And Sigma.ai is a leading technology specializing in data collection and annotation for AI system. And also he said there are two different positions which are available for native Igbo transcribers and Hausa raters. So we're going to verify this information. And the next one is called Minddrift. So on Minddrift, you can offer AI tutor position, which is a part-time role. So we're going to verify this. And also Fuzu, this is a platform, is also looking for data annotators specialized in computer vision tasks. So alright, so let me head over to my tab to see the first one, which is Minddrift. The first one, which is Stigma.ai. So you can see data annotation for generative AI. So I'm going to be dropping all these links on the description so that you can have access to this information as you can apply. So this is a data, you can perform data labeling on this website, data strategy, data collection, and human in the loop for LLM. Yeah. So for those who want to take advantage of this opportunity, we all know that AI is taking over the tech world right now, and AI is the big deal, which is artificial intelligence. The different AI companies are looking for freelancers who can perform different tasks, just like data labeling. It can be videos to videos, it can be caption to captions, it can also be language related information like transcribing. So you can easily take advantage of Sigma.ai, just as you can see on my charts. And they said Sigma.ai are looking for annotators, native Igbo transcribers, and Hausa reader. And definitely there will be different projects that you can apply on Sigma.ai. So for you to register, you can quickly come to contact us and apply. Also, if you are you're a copper and you're out of school, you can also take advantage of this opportunity so that you can benefit from this. So to apply, you can input your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, organization. If you have previously worked for any AI company, you can write it on the organization. Or if you haven't, you could just click and type non-apply like this and leave it up. Then your country, you select your country. So let's check if there's Nigeria. Let's check and to confirm if there's Nigeria. Let's check. So you can see different good. So we have Nigeria over here. So if you are watching also in Africa, you can check to see if you are eligible to apply. So also I want to know more about you. So it's very easy. Just tell them what you have done before. Maybe you have an experience in tech, or you can typically go to your ChatGPT and ask Chat to tell you give you a description that you want to apply for stigma.ai. I want an information that can help to fill up on this part over here, so it will help you to do it well. So after that, you have an authorization. You click here by submitting this form, and also you agree to the newsletter if you wish to agree to this newsletter, and you click and you submit. So that is all on stigma.ai. The next one is called Minddrift. So on Minddrift, you can register also for linguistic. You can become a writer, medical, editor, physics, and also 10 plus other domains. So you can also click on apply here so that you can register for this company. So this company, you can see AI tutor. So that means you can become a writer, an editor, and a domain expert. So Minddrift and stigma.ai, you can take advantage and click on apply now. So let me move over to some of the tech skills that can set you aside as a student. Even while you're in school, you can learn them for free and you can use it to make money on the internet. So the first one is called Canva Design School. So Canva is a design application where you can design graphic design works, and also you can make templates of CV. Also, you can make a variety of stuff on Canva. So for those who know what Canva can do, you can also do video editing, a little bit of video editing on Canva. So one of the things you can learn on Canva for free is graphic design, right? So you can come over to canva.com/design school to learn graphic design for free. So all AI in the classroom, you can see it over here, and you can see start course is a free course, and we also have 10,913 students who have already enrolled for this course. So if you are a student, you don't have an excuse, kindly come over to Canva school to register as a graphic design. So get this skill. It's an high-tech skill that will help you to make money online. So you click over and start the course. So the next one is web design. So you can easily start this on 3wschools.com and learn how to code for free. So this is an high-scale skills that is required in this time and day. We all know that the internet is taking over the world right now. So how do you remain relevant? How do you put out value to people, to businesses, to organizations, to individuals who need this opportunity? So web design is one of the high-tech skill that you can learn as a student even while you're in school. So you can get a certification on this website, 3wschools.com, and get certified as a web developer. So you can sign up here, click on sign up here, and register for this company and this website, w3schools.com. So another one is content creation. So just like I'm making this video, I'm a content creator, and I'm also into freelancing, and I'm also into different stuffs online that is related to tech. So you can take advantage as a content creator even while you're in school. You can be creating content. You can create content on language. You can create content on even how you are in school. You can become a vlogger and so many things. You can also become a blogger. So you can create different content. So one of the things you learn about YouTube is coming to this website called YouTube Creators, which show you how you can start as a beginner on YouTube. So you can see how things work. So getting started on YouTube, building your community, how to make money on YouTube, growing your channel, policies and guidelines, and how you can get involved. So this YouTube Creators Academy will help you to learn how you can become a creator on YouTube. And once you get 4,000 watch hour and you get 1,000 subscribers, you are relevant to start making money on YouTube. So kindly come to YouTube Creators Academy and register for free. So the next one is called Filmora. It is a video editing software where you can also learn for free. So how do you get started? You click get started for free and register and start learning on Filmora. I need to tell you that these 3 tech skills, graphic design, web design, and video editing, is a high-tech skill right now that once you learn them as a student, even before you leave school, you start making a lot of money. So you come over to Filmora and register for free. So all right, so I'm going to share with you lastly someone who came and asked, how do I earn online in Nigeria? So this website called Reddit is a website where individuals who want to ask questions relating to each and every information that is trending online, or they want to know about something, is a community where they can type in their question and they see people that have experience in that field, or who can lead them through to answer their questions. So this person, he said, I'm in my final year in school and I'm so frustrated. I don't know what to do. I'm going through a lot of financial issues. Please, what can I do to earn money? So practically, if you're a student as you're watching this video, this person also is a student, and this information was posted 9 months ago rather. So, and she's 22 years old and she's living in Uyo. So let's see what are the information that was passed to her reply. So the first one is, I do freelance writing and academic writing. I also write a soap notes for clients. If it's a skill you would be interested in, I could share with you the material to you. So this person gave a reply to the student that was looking for such information. So you can search on soap notes to see what it's all about. So let me scroll down and see other replies to see. Let me see. So this one caught my mind. He said, on a serious note, though I'm gonna be, and it's gonna take time, are you willing to commit? So let me just summarize. This person was trying to say that he learned a tech skill while he was in school, and it's really helping to make money. And one of the things he said he learned coding. You can see it over here. He learned video editing and also digital art. So these are the 3 tech skills this person learned while in school, and he said he was able to get a gig from the United States by editing video for almost someone that has a YouTube channel of 700k subscribers, and he was able to make money. So this is a student while he was in school, and he was able to take advantage of these 3 tech skills: coding, video editing, and digital art, and he was able to make money. So you don't have an excuse. You can also take advantage of these 3 tech skills and make money. So also, let's see another person that shares information. So this person said, there is no quick way to earn money sustainably online. You need to have a skill you can sell for money, just like I'm showing you in this video. So you need to have a skill to sell for money. So learning and becoming payable good at any skill will take at least 6 months. Some will take 6 months, some will take less than 6 months. So you can take advantage to learn different skills while you are in school. So that's why it's important to learn these skills, so that once you have an opportunity, you can take advantage of it. So guys, I hope you guys have benefited a lot from this channel. If you like this video, kindly give this video a like. If you have any comment, kindly come to the comment section and ask your questions. Other people who have experience in this field can also give you information that will help you to make money. Also, if you have benefited from this video, kindly give this video a share, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.